I'm Dr. Margario.
And I'm Dr. Scott. Welcome to Messy Things You Can Do to Annoy Your Parents.
Today we're going to teach you how to make oobleck.
Now, oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. Now, a non-Newtonian fluid is sort of like particles, tiny particles like sand or something like cornstarch that's suspended in a liquid like water. You can kind of think of this as a piggy bank, where the piggy bank is the water, and the particles are all like pennies. Now, when you put one in at a time, they all flow, and they all flow smoothly, kind of like water. But if you try and put them all in the piggy bank at one time, they'll get stuck and act like a solid. They won't be able to move.
So to make oobleck, you need cornstarch, some water, and something to put it in. For this experiment, we put food dye in the water just to add color for it. Okay, so we're going to take a little bit of cornstarch, and you're going to need more cornstarch than you put water. So.
And so we're going to use the whole container here. Use a spoon.
Right. Okay.
And then just a little bit less water than the cornstarch. Let's see how that works.
And then you're going to
mix
use
it with your hands. Okay, you gotta make sure you mix it real well. Get all the sides here. And as I'm mixing it, it's getting thicker, sort of like quicksand. And that's sort of what this is a little miniature quicksand. Okay. So what we want you guys to do is take your samples and just kind of play around with them. See if you can move around, see what happens if you try and roll it into a ball. If you can keep it in a shape.